Wood dyes are great for changing the colour of wood and are usually used before applying a wood finish like wax, oil or varnish. And Liberon, who this video is in collaboration with, make both spirit and palette wood dyes. But what's the difference? The spirit dye is ethanol based and it's great for dense hardwoods like mahogany and oak because it penetrates better. It's also best for oily woods like teak, ipe and iroko. It can be used over existing wood finishes and it can be used to tint the colour of French polish or shellac. There are 8 colours to choose from in the Liberon range, and if that's not enough, you can mix them together too. It's easy to apply. I like to brush it on and then wipe away the excess with a cotton cloth. But because it's spirit based, you will need to use it either outside or in a well ventilated space. The palette wood dyes are ideal for soft woods like pine, and because they are water based, they dry really quickly. There are 13 colours in the Liberon range, and again, they can be mixed together. The palette dyes won't fade over time, and unlike most water based wood treatments, Liberon's special acrylic formula means that it won't raise the grain of the timber. It can also be mixed with Liberon's natural finish varnish for a single application. For softwoods though, I definitely recommend sticking with the palette wood dyes as per Liberon's recommendation.